Hello. Hey guys, this is Kimmy, Healthy Life with Kimmy. I've been trying to film this video for a moment and I forget every single time I go to Chick-fil-A to film it. So today is the day. So when you're trying to eat healthy, and I'm on a healthy weight loss journey, for those of you who are new, I'm doing Weight Watchers. And whatever you're doing, you're more than welcome here to the channel and we'll talk about it. Okay, so let's talk about when you go to Chick-fil-A, what I have been ordering. So my normal go-to when I go to Chick-fil-A is the spicy biscuit meal with the coffee and also hash browns. And I just love it. That spicy chicken biscuit is delish. However, a spicy chicken biscuit at Chick-fil-A, I have my husband's phone so I can tell you these numbers, is 18 points, right? So that's 18 points, plus the hash browns are 8 points. And we haven't even gotten to the cream nut and sugar that I put in the coffee, okay? So we're already at 24 points. Almost. And I only get 26 now. I've lost 20 pounds at the recording of this video. And I only get 26 points. I started out at 29. So now when I go to Chick-fil-A, my go-to is the egg white grill. And I want to show you this. This is the egg white grill. And it's a nice size sandwich, as you can see. And it is delicious. I'm going to take it out. So I get the egg white grill, which is only 7 points. I usually would split and order hash browns with my husband, which is 4 points. So now we're at 11 instead of my regular 24. So it just calls for a little creativeness. I want to show you how delicious this sandwich looks. Look at that. And it's got chicken. It's a grilled chicken breast, egg, and cheese on it. They call it a high protein. So the carbs on it are really low. And I love this sandwich. So I wanted to give you a healthier choice when you go to Chick-fil-A. Now they do have the grilled chicken minis, but you probably have a higher count in that bread. So when you're out and about, look for a grilled option. You already know this. But because something is really delicious, I'm going to tell you about it. Because you may not have tried it. I didn't even know it existed. So again, it's a grilled chicken breast. You can see it. Grilled chicken breast with the egg, cheese, and it's on a wheat English muffin. I believe it's wheat, but it's on an English muffin instead of the biscuit, which is 18 points by itself. So like I said, the sandwich is 7. Hash browns are 8, but I'll split those. So now we're at 7 and 4 is 11 points instead of my regular 20 something. So I'm really working this thing. I didn't have coffee today because I'm coming off of this video where I had my stomach was allergic, or I had a reaction to eating too much kale. So you probably saw that video. I was laid up in the bed. So this will be shortly after that. But I just wanted to film it again. This is my experience at Chick-fil-A, and I do love that egg grill delight. All right, well, until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. Bye. I'll be bringing you more of these little food videos too, as I find something that I actually like. Because again, it doesn't really matter what plan you're doing. We're all in the fight together. And if you're doing even keto, you can have this. Maybe not the muffin, but you can have the egg white and the cheese and the grilled chicken part. So we all win. All right, guys. Well, until later. Bye.